Well, ibang-iba talaga siya. Like of course, it's different from Badoy, A Soldier's Heart, Tayong Dalawa, yung mga ano. But more than just the character, it's the story itself. Like kanina, di ba? I think our bigger purpose for the show is to make people aware na nangyayari talaga to. Kaya nakaka-relate na marami tao kasi if it's not you, yung may kilala kayo na nangyari sa kanila itong ganitong kwento. So, I'm extra motivated kasi alam ko na may mauuwi sila every episode. Diba, may bago kayong matututunan and there's that awareness.
So parang eye-opener siya sa viewers natin, no? Na parang the next victim could be you.
Yeah.
Parang no?
And while you're watching it, it's also parang a forum na pwede ka mag-open up. Hindi ka na, kumbaga, wala na yung stigma.
Tama.
Alam mo na, nangyari din sa akin yan. Yung gagawin mo,
I should
diba?
speak up, parang
I should
ganon.
speak up. And then, yun, diba? Kasama yung friends mo, nangyari sa akin yan Because of the show, medyo mawawala yung stigma at yung takot. Diba?
Tama yun, kasi pag hindi ka nagsalita, lalong maraming mabibiktima yung scammer na yun, di ba? Thank you, Gerald. Our next question will come from Carl Jun from Kapatid Insider.